With the advancing AI technology, the integration of machine learning, ML, has been successful in almost all the sectors of the business. Machine learning is a power pack of the latest technology of AI, which has enabled many opportunities and possibilities for various businesses. The adoption of ML across the financial services companies is accelerating the manner in which the customers have their operations and services delivered to them. Application of ML in finance has eased the usage, interface and business conditions under which a lot of data is stored, analyzed, calculated and interpreted in an easy manner without complex coding and programming. Unrealistic budgets and estimations sometimes make it impossible for a proper software plan which is void of a vision, knowledge, goals and also the focus to deliver a complete and concise project with the right business objectives and get the idea and content validation, keeping in mind the various KPIs and estimations. The most important factor that is to be kept in mind in the process of integration of ML in various financial companies is to make sure that these companies would have a huge return on investment, which further boosts them to shift towards machine learning. How can you use machine learning in finance? The following are the 5 different ways in which integration of ML can be done in various sectors of business which would lead to the best possible results. 1. Fraud detection and prevention. In the present day, we are always reading the news of financial frauds and scams across the world. With the help of machine learning, your business would be able to get an early sign or warning of a potential fraud which may take place in the form of fraudulent transactions. This is identified with the help of pattern and predictive analysis applied by ML algorithms through which such scams can be avoided. 2. Security. Banks and other financial institutions can include ML algorithms which do a great job in detecting frauds and providing security. The technology can be used to monitor innumerable transactions and pick some suspicious activities with the help of high precision across the transactions made by various third-party users as well. 3. Investment predictions. ML is very good at giving the market insights which are useful for the businesses to identify the market changes, which is done much earlier than when compared to using the traditional model of investments. Companies like Bank of America, JP Morgan and Chase and Morgan Stanley have shifted towards using the automated business solutions with the help of ML that has enabled the predictions in an affirmative and effective way. 4. Risk management. Traditional software applications are usually used for information related to loan, debts, borrowings and settlements, which play a huge role in maintaining financial reports. With the help of ML, risk management can be taken care of by preventing financial frauds and crisis predictions that are beneficial in making a huge leap of profits in the global market. 5. Customer service. With the help of ML, the aspect of customer service is hugely monitored and fulfilled in the perfect direction. This is helpful in making sure that the virtual assistants help the customers with the prospective investors so that they are used to avail the right information and provide the quick solutions for their problems. The inclusion of chatbots as a part of customer service is a huge transition towards the right delivery of the much-awaited experience to the customers. Conclusion. The deployment and maintenance of ML in finance sector is a much-needed transition which helps many financial institutions across the world, both public and private, to get a complete makeover in the way how one perceives ML and its importance in to perform effective tasks that are instrumental in making a huge difference of the operations of the financial sector across the globe. A Bill Must production.